Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door mullion in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. With the left refrigerator door open, flip the old mullion outward. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screw. With the screw unthreaded, lift the old mullion up to detach and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new door mullion by first connecting the wire connector and making sure the connector is secured. Align the mullion on the tabs and push down until fully positioned. Thread the mounting screw. Close and open the door to confirm the mullion pivots properly. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.